laptops, etc. So, currently, this technology is not that much in India. It is what do you call it? It is there with countries such as Taiwan and all. Like, in India, it is not that developed. If you see in 2021, 2022 times, demand for vehicle was higher than the supply. Why? Because of shortage of semiconductors, companies are unable to supply the vehicles. So it is semiconductors are there in almost every industry, including automobile industry. So government wants to ensure that we have our own semiconductor industry, strong semiconductor industry. For that purpose, government has introduced the scheme. It is not a PLI, not a production link incentive. Actually, there is a scheme for production link incentive. Also, we have a provision for semiconductors. In addition to that, government thought that the semiconductor industry is not that well in India. We need support for campus investment also. So government is telling that we will support you by fiscal support of up to 50% of project cost for setting semiconductor fabs in India. So our government is expecting outlay of 76,000 CR for fiscal support of 50% of project cost for setting up semiconductor fabs, display fabs, compound semiconductor silicon photonics, sensors fab, and semiconductor ATMS OSAT facilities in India. In addition, certain capex import is exempt from basic customs duty to encourage investment in India. Encourage capex investment in India. In the interim budget 2024, that is the recent budget before the election, India increased the allocation for the scheme to support semiconductor display manufacturing by 130% to 6,903 crores. Second round of PLI for specified electronics. I told you earlier, semiconductor industry is not what do you call this in the nascent stage in India. So government has when original scheme was introduced for mobile phone and semiconductor industry didn't apply much on this space. So government has released second round of PLI for semiconductors. Even the name is mobile and semiconductor. It is mostly focused on semiconductor devices, resistors, sensors, etc. Second round of PLI large-scale electronics manufacturing is expected to cater along with scheme of capex, which I discussed earlier. So that will help to increase the production of semiconductors in India. Who are the major beneficiaries utilizing above benefits? Micron Technologies is a US-based company investing in Gujarat. Talta Electronics Private Limited collaborate with Powerchip Conductor Manufacturing Corporation in Taiwan to establish a semiconductor fab in Dholera, Gujarat. Semiconductor Assembly and Test Private Limited will set up a semiconductor unit in Morrigan, Assam. CG Power, in partnership with Renaissance Electronics Corporation Japan and Stars Micro Electronics Thailand, will establish a semiconductor unit in Sunset, Gujarat. It's expected that Adani and Qualcomm may establish a chip plant here in India. I'm not sure because I've seen this in newspaper, but this is on negotiation. Not sure what is the current status. Now, I would like to discuss about PLI scheme for laptops, tablets, and all-in-one PCs and servers. So, government wants to have manufacturing based in India for laptops, tablets, and all-in-one PC. All-in-one PC means like monitor, keyboard, everything, monitor, CPU, everything in one system. The government want to encourage such tablets and laptops and all-in-one PCs and servers also. Indian government has granted approval of 27 firms, including Dell, Foxconn, HP, Lenovo, under the new hardware scheme, with an outlay of 17,000 CR. 27 companies will invest around 3,000 CR. Additionally, the value of IT hardware production is estimated to be 42 billion US dollar. This scheme is expected to generate total employment of about 2 lakh people. For this, about 50,000 professionals will have direct employment